Why does bees choose hexagonal cell in beehive? If we have a hexagonal shape, we will take its perimeter, let's say equals to 5 centimeter. Its area is equals to perimeter times apothem over 2. Apothem is equals to the length of one side of a regular polygon over 2 tangent of 180 degrees over the number of sides of a regular polygon. So our area is perimeter, which is 5, times its apothem, which is the length of one side. The length of one side of this hexagon, which has the perimeter of 5, is 5 over 6. So 5/6 over 2 tangent of 180 degrees over the number of sides, which is 6, all over 2. Its area in the calculator is equals to 5. Its area is equals to 1.804 square centimeter. Taking another shape, compared to the pentagon, perimeter, let's say the same as 5 centimeter, area is equals to P times A all over 2, which is equals to 5 times its length of one side is 5 over 5, which is 1, times 1 over 2, tangent of 180 degrees over the number of sides 5, times 1/2 or divided by 2 is the same. So equals to, just replace 6 to 5, then we get an area of 1.7204 square centimeter. So as you see, as we decrease the number of sides of a regular polygon, we get different area, even though we have the same perimeter. As you see, the perimeter is the material of creating that shape. Is the measurement, is the total measurement of the area. That is the total measurement of the material is the perimeter that created the shape. So although we have the same perimeter, as you see, it yields different area. So as we decrease the shape, its area will also decrease. But if we take a heptagon, which is the 7-sided polygon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say it's 7-sided. So its perimeter is the same, equal to 5 centimeter. Its area will be equal to P times A over 2. Its perimeter is 5 times area, times the apothem one side is 5 over 7. So 5 over 7 all over 2. Tangent of 180 degrees over the number of sides 7 all over 2. Its area must be equals to 1.854. So as you see, as we increase the number of the sides of a regular polygon, we have the increasing area. So our conclusion here is that as the number of sides increases, the area also increases. So why does B choose a hexagonal cell instead of why does the B choose hexagonal instead of the heptagon, the nonagon, or the circle? Because the circle has the infinite number of sides polygon, so which means it yields the greatest amount of area. So to answer this question, if the B choose a circle, its perimeter is equals to circumference. Let's say its perimeter or the circumference is equals to 5 centimeter, the same to the other shape. Its area will be equals to pi r squared. And its radius, having the circumference of 5, is equals to 2 pi r. In this relation, we can get the radius as 5 over 2 pi, which is in the calculator, it yields 0.79577. So its area must be equals to 0.79577 times pi. This square root. Pi is equals to 1.989 square centimeter. So 1.989 square centimeter is greater than 1.804. So now, if you are a B, you will choose the circle, but why hexagon? So there's another factor. Factor number 1 is it saves space. Because if you assemble the hexagon as the bee did in their beehive, we have no gaps. The shape is entirely compact. There's no gap in between of the shape. Unlike the circle one, we leave some gap in between of the shapes, as you see. So those are the disadvantage of using the circle. We leave some space that cannot be used. Unless you use hexagon, you have no space left behind. So in other words, it saves space. You see? It saves space. But what if the bee use heptagon, which yields the greater area than hexagon? It also saves space, right? Let's say it is a heptagon. It also saves space. It does not leave spaces between. It's just the same to hexagon, and it also yields greater area than hexagon. Hence, lesser perimeter, lesser material. But why use hexagon? Another factor is the factor number 2 is that what B uses a hexagonal shape because a regular hexagon is the only shape that if you chop its sides by triangles, you can create an the equal sides triangle. So you can have equal sides triangle. In other words, it is a scaling triangle, equilateral triangle. So if you take that one triangle, this one triangle, it is a equilateral triangle. It have equal sides. But the heptagon, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Let's just, then if you chop it by triangles, it cannot create a a scaling triangle. It cannot create equilateral triangle. It is an isosceles triangle having two sides only equal, but the other sides not. Shorter. These are the longer sides, and its base is shorter. It is isosceles triangle. It is not the same. They are not. So what I mean is that the scaling triangle, has the greater strength compared to isosceles triangle. As you see in the truss system in the engineering, if they create a building, if you see that triangular form of metal welded, they are welded together, and they will create this. They use triangle, right? And luckily, the triangle that has a stronger strength, a greater strength is the scaling triangle, and that hexagon have it. So that's the second factor. So next factor is that it saves material. Hexagon had a greater area. So in other words, if we convert this into a 3D, which is the hexagonal prism, this shape will give a greater amount of volume compared to the pentagon, square, and triangle. Now, why does the hexagon saves material compared to the circle, which in fact by each circle must have saves material compared to hexagon. But notice that the hexagon share their wall compared to the circle that it only meets once, which is this is the tangent to each other. Meet only one point. It does not share the wall. So it means that the bee will create the whole circle and another circle without sharing its material. But the hexagon work in that way. Because the hexagon, the bee will only make one wall for both rooms. So, for example, another is that if we create the third cell, look at this. If we create the third cell, the bee will only make the 1, 2, 3, fourth wall because the second wall, the two walls is already made. It's already provided by the two cell. So that saves material, right? So review, it saves space because there's no gap. The hexagon also yields strength compared to another shape because it has scaling triangle that's used in engineering and buildings. Number 3 is it saves material because it shares the wall of each cell. The fourth factor is that it saves time. Time saving. It saves time. It is because the bee will take lesser time in harvesting or finding the wax, the material that they are used to create the cell. They will only get lesser amount of wax to create because it saves material, right? And then they will only find a small amount of wax, so it saves time. At the same time, it saves effort So those are the chain effect of the wise choose of the bee. So I hope you understand what I mean.
जब लाइफ हो out of control हो